In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Frayer's model for your vocabulary words, and then how to add it to your digital vocabulary wall on Zoom. Before creating a model, always make sure you are on the right page of your vocabulary wall. Next, zoom in on the steps for creating a Frayer's model. Step 1. Make a copy of the Frayer's model. First, click on the blank model to select it. Next, click on the three dots to open the toolbar. Finally, choose Duplicate to make a copy. Step 2. Use the text tool to fill in the Frayer's model. Use the corners and sides of the text box to change the size of the text, so it will fit in the Frayer's model. Step 3. Group together the model and the text you added to it. First, you will have to use the Select tool to drag a shaded box over the Frayer's model. Then, select the grouping icon from the pop-up toolbar. Your Frayer's model is now complete. Step 4. Add the completed Frayer's model to your vocabulary wall. Zoom out. Then drag the model into place.